Hello everyone, this is me, Mika, and I am making the game, action RPG game, without using any off-the-shelf engine such as Unreal Engine, Godot or Unity. And I'm on day 148 and I made progress 18.7%. So I'm making the game in C++ using libraries, of course, and one of them is SDL3 and another one is BGFX. Not too many people know what is BGFX, and BGFX it's middle end software which encapsulating backend software. I guess it's not backend. What is it? Anyways, OpenGL, Vulkan, Metal, and many others graphical backends. So right now I'm implementing the UI system for crafting. And I was off the camera experimenting with the I'm doing like a AI assisted coding for a long time, and for a long time I didn't do it because it wasn't very good for my mental health. Anyways, today I decided to give it another shot. I thought the feature is not like a complicated for AI, and it did visually it did pretty good progress. А?
Им надо там паук убить.
Что купить?
Паук убить.
А, паука. А чё Дэнни-то? Пусть Дэнни.
А он сказал, что он не хочет.
Пусть он идет.
А я ему сказала.
О май гад. Okay. So yeah, so it did do something. So I mean, like I need to collect some loot. So I think it's enough because it's a high level and I need like a crafting on the low level. So if I click on the crafting table, so there is a list of recipes, and if I click on the recipe, it goes to the crafting table, and if I click here, I can make the wooden block, and it's unlocking mechanics is working. So and it's like while I'm clicking, so it requires 5 of the entropy, so it will go down. So if I'm clicking, it's go down exactly by 5. So it did not implement like adding things to inventory. I don't know why, but like it did implement, like then I close it, it isn't going on inventory. But there is a thing like if I move things around, if I click here, it's being sorted. Like what the heck? So like there is this sort of things, like kind of half-made implementation. So I can do this, and this one, the stuff is not stackable. So if I try to, it would say hands full, which is by specs, and making the sound effect, which is good. And then I start looking in the source code, and the diff is huge. It's like for that 700, almost 800 lines of the code. It's like, what the heck? And now I'm kind of remembering why I kind of start avoiding to do wipe coding. So I do not know if I need to re-implement it from scratch, or because it's like there is so much code, it's crazy. Like and this is the problem with wipe coding currently. So I do not know, maybe I'm using it's like I paid only $10 for that, so maybe it's a cheap version of the AI, not capable of doing stuff, probably. But I kind of have feelings people just lying about abilities of AI. It's like if I would see this thing 1 year ago, I would be very impressed, of course, and I would start thinking, yeah, like we doomed. But it has some limits, and this is the limit of AI, and I do not know what to do with it, with that code. Like should I sit down and man, or maybe I should ask AI to fix it by itself. I do not know. It's probably so. This is like a sunk. What is it? Policy. Like I invested to that, right, little bit, and it's working as well. So it feels like should continue to do evolutionary steps, but it's a little bit overwhelming. It's like there is so much code. So I guess I'll maybe I'll keep the toast UI. And wooden block it makes sense. Description wooden block used for crafting. Stackable true. What is the XP? What? Oh, I completely forgot about that thing. That's a, I guess, good thing. So crafting gives you XP. So I guess that's a good thing. I completely forgot I was planning to add the XP. So wooden block makes sense. I mean, there isn't nothing crazy about that. Let me tweak a little bit. I think I would do like if I do layer to the image size, it doesn't do anything. It's like if I'll do flatten image. Flatten image and add alpha channel. And then color to alpha. So like if I do that way, would it do anything? Eh.
Weapons free zone.
Okay. Probably I want it smaller. Maybe I want it smaller. So scale.
Weapons free zone.
Yeah, that's better, I guess. So wooden block is good. Toast UI. I guess it's not a toast. I don't know. Maybe it's a toast. I think name is fine. Okay. So that makes sense. I never heard about. I mean, it's like I did hear about that, but in my mind, it was like icon. It's like a achievement toast, right? So I kind of never had it in like a broader context. It's just some pop-up message. So I guess that's a okay name. So Toast UI is as well, looks good. So line center. Yeah, so like there is a margin on the bottom. Yeah, everything looks fine. So it's essentially carbon copy of the no weapons UI. So it's essentially exactly the same implementation. So it's for 2 seconds. I guess it's fine for 2 seconds. Yeah. So Toast UI is okay. Oh my god. So let's look at the recipes. Let me wash my face. Okay, I'm back. Recipes. Yeah, so I do not know, like this is weird. It's like a super weird. So make observable sealed. Why it's like these? Like, oh yeah, because it's an item. So I would probably yeah. Okay, let's look at the recipe. Oh my god. Yeah, I should not do that. I should write by myself because like I'm not sure if it's a correct way to do. I'm not crazy happy about the design decisions. Crafting ingredient. Ingredient name count. Wait a second. That's even not right. Ah no, I think that is right. Because it's a ingredient. Create ingredient preview. And just call and create. Oh my god. Yeah, this is why I didn't do it. I stopped doing it because like I'm getting so angry right now. Oh my god. So it's like a AI wants me to like it's like likes to write a boilerplate code. Like that thing is going to be for each, and this is like a only for ingredients, right? Oh wait a second, this one, oh my god. recipe, ingredients, create result preview, create ingredient preview is unlocked. It's like a, what the heck? It's like a, it's like, why did you use vector here? It's not. Actually, yeah, this is right. But it should be fine like this now. So it's going to fail, but John or direct send. Please. That's weird. I don't know, why did you do it? I guess that makes sense. Yeah, okay, never mind. What is this called? It's like a how? Why name can be empty? Like why did you do this check? Okay, so like I never going to gain to use AI. That's so broken. that one, it should be fine. It's like, why did it use vector? And yeah, just this. There is no need for the check because it's an ordered set. What just happened? Why? Function player species. JSON nature. It doesn't know how to do unordered set. Like one, I would think I did have support for unordered set. That's strange. Let me check. Set. There is a map, but there is no support for set. And there is no vector. What? So I'm looking at the right column. So there is a vector. So it should be same code for unordered set. So I probably should do include ordered set and I'll just copy that, but instead of vectors put the unordered set. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there is in place bucket should be just in place. Okay, let's try to build again. No matching for DCR template specialization. Unordered set DCR. String vector unordered set. String share. T stat pair. JSON DCR play requested here. It's like, what the heck? Why doesn't work? So this is the vector. Oh, I see. So in place, okay, unordered set in place returns. Okay, so I guess I should do it this way. G the item, so let's do item and that one instead move item, something like this. So okay, so it compiled. That means that means implement add word for unordered set.
Add support for unordered set.
Commit and push origin configure origin remote URL git on. So let's see, what is it? GitHub JSON share. So put it here. Okay, and now I can push, I think. Push. Yeah, I was able to push it. And as a test, I will remove that and let my build system to figure it out, and hopefully everything is going to be okay. Almost a minute for building, but it's built a lot of stuff, right? So, are you going to run the game or not? Okay, so I can close that. Encounter the items. So my intuition saying maybe string is not good idea, but what else it can be? So I think string is fine. Let's go through the biggest part of the that one. So like I don't think there is a need for that code at all. It just straight copy paste of the tile view, and like there is a reason why I made a tile view the template, so I do not need to make the copy of it. So yeah, I just took my code and just copy pasted it. Like I made this a template so I can reuse it. Like what the reason of Yeah, so I guess I'll just delete it. So okay, I'm going to delete it. Let me read the cause. Like maybe there is some reason why AI decided to do it this way. I don't know. There is nothing special here. I don't know why I just. Okay, I'm going to delete it. Recipe row tile. That might be useful. Image ingredient icons. Ingredient icons, ingredient labels. Why it's this way? Oh my god. And then it's like a driving visibility of them, yeah. That's rough, man, that's rough. So there is a many ways of skin the cow, and it feels like AI picked a worse way to skin the cow. Can see million better ways to do that. Anyways, let's see how things are going to break. Okay, recipe tile view. So let's see. Already deleted 200 lines. I mean, nothing is working, but I'll make it work. Crafting table UI. Okay. Recipes. Recipe style view. This is okay, so where is it? So cell width, cell height. This I put for reasons. Alright. And that one I'm going just to have the full, so it's going to be one cell, right? And because I put explicitly size, so like this one is not recipes, it is items. Yeah, I can see it's like it is items here. Items. Unlocked recipes. So unlocked recipes. What the heck? Where unlocked recipes are coming from? Unlocked recipes. Oh, it's I see. It's this one. Vector of, why it's a vector of pointers? What the fuck? Refresh unlocked recipes. Refresh unlocked recipes. Encountered. Like, so it's unlocking recipes every time. Every time I'm opening crafting table. So like it look, it's obviously has to be part of the player, not the crafting table. Player has unlocked recipes, not the crafting table has unlocked recipes. I have a temptation just to revert everything and implement everything from scratch, because it just I do not know if I would be able just to so okay, so I'm just going to revert everything just because it just, look at this code, it's just a mess. It's all mess. Okay, so I'll keep toast recipes. Okay, I'm deleting everything. It's pissing me off so much. I cannot think straight. So I'll keep that. I guess this is the OK code. Okay. So I'm going to revert that. Everything of that is gone. Okay. Gone. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I was like, what's going on here? Okay. So, okay, player encountered items and so let's do recipes. So I guess recipe.hpp. So recipe class.
Recipe.hpp.
Recipe, right?
Recipe.hpp.
RECIP. Okay, hopefully I remember the spelling. REICP. REICP. Is it this spelling?
Recipe.hpp.
RECIP. Okay. No longer exist. What? Oh, what the heck is going on here? I deleted you. REICP.hpp. Paragma once. So it's gonna be class REICP. Doesn't look right. Recipe.
Recipe.
RECI. Oh my god. RECIP. Yes. Okay. Recipe. So it would have in ingredient and item, right? So instead vector ingredients instead ingredients, struct ingredient, so we'll have int count, and instead unique pointer of crafting ingredient. So count is already embedded, so it's just a vector of instead unique pointer crafting ingredient include crafting ingredient .hpp So in that case, it's just a vector of ingredients. So recipe actually can be So it can be and say ingredients. So it's an item. I can obviously tie it to ingredients, so it's recipes only from ingredients. And let me look at my GDD and so is the metal steel block fabric, what is that? But there is like a quartz gems, right? And quartz gem what is it? Gems. All gems have different quartz gem. So it's an upgrade artifact. Because it still can be a category of crafting ingredient. It's not used anywhere. Yeah, I don't think there is any recipes. So like a gems can be part of the crafting artifact. Crafting ingredient. So yeah, anyways, I can change it anytime. So base recipe, it's going to have virtual auto make ingredient 1 and it's going to be on PTR of crafting ingredient and that's virtual, right? Int as like as like this on PTR crafting ingredient. What? No template named on PTR. What? Include op ptr.hpp. I guess obs ptr.hpp. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So make ingredient. And make item. Item. Right, and class recipe. So it's going to be template, and it would be type name, item type name, ingredient 1, I guess 0 1 2 and I int count 0, int count 1, int count 2, and so default values. Okay, so this is the template, public base recipe. So final okay. We switch on V case 0 return op make so I guess in the player I have the example how I made the stuff. Make observable sealed, make observable sealed ingredient 0 ingredient 0 C2 so I should as well I guess ingredients would not have count 0 type name so let's see entropy.hpp oh, it's like this. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. So I just passed the count like this, right? So here if ingredient what if I put swap, right? It's like it's gonna be I don't know, I think it's fine. So like I can just check on the count. if count 1 greater than 0, 1 1, else it may not compile, right? If const expr is like this. Oh yeah. Two. I guess I should do assert here. V greater or equal 0 and V less than 3. And make item that it should be, I guess, stuff, right? Stuff. Let's take C2 and level. Oh, yeah. So it's going to be item, type name, item, C2 dot level equals. Okay, so here we go. We should pass level here, level, boom. So this is the recipe. And it's gonna be using recipes equals a vector of instead unique pointer of base recipe.
Using recipes equals std colon vector, std colon unique PTR base recipe.
Yeah. Okay, so where recipes should be, where we should have recipes. So there is 170 recipes, so iterating through them while I'm opening user interface is going to be extremely fast. So I can just generate recipes on the fly. So okay, so that's simple. Player. So player. So there is an countered items, right? I'm not sure if I'm happy about string, but anyways, let's do include recipe and recipes I guess I can make it singleton. So that one, even not singleton, I can just have the function auto get recipes, and it will return recipes. Okay, and recipes recipe.cpp. This is gone, right? This is a modified kill anyway, yes. .cpp include recipe.hpp, and this function will have static recipes piece equals okay, and why you're not happy? Deleted constructor of unique pointer base recipe. unique call to deleted constructor of state unique pointer base recipe. Why constructor is deleted? Why constructor is deleted? Return recipes. Oh, my bad. So it should return const. Okay. Boom. Good. And now I'm going to add recipes, and it's gonna be instead make unique recipe, and let's make wood. I did not wooden block. Yeah, I did not remove wooden block, so we good here. Include a wooden block. Include entropy. Include essence. Include harmony. Include stuff. HPP. Double F. So recipe. So we want to make wooden block, and it would be doc gdd would be 5 entropy 5. What is not good here? No virtual member function mark final. Oh, make item. Make item on ptr item. Make item on ptr item. Oh, int level. Int level. I know. Should I do it this way? It just refuses. Just make unique requested here. Has different return type. Make item. Have different return type. No, it's same on PTR. Servable. Oh. Oh. So item type, I guess. Let's put item type. So and this one is item, and this one is item type. Item type. Okay, so that maybe would work. Session member function request here. So let's remove. So let's have that. Oh yeah, so like I guess I keep like this. Oh yeah, we should be good. Come on. Nope. It's like if I put it here. Still not happy. What is missing? I'm trying to call construct and requested here. Candidate template ignore construct. Const call of deleted constructor of so I should do move here. So what not much not construct the constructor static cast void star. What? Yeah, where it's doing the where it's trying to make the copy. Let me do lambda maybe. So auto r equals like this, and then r and place back that, return r. Would that work? It's better. Does not refer to any field type. Type name. And level does not refer to any field in the so for wood it's not going to do that. Oh, so what should I do? So probably I can make the wood as well, take the level, and it would ignore it. Lehisluger 9300. Hello. Okay. I'm going to make it to. Oh yeah, there is a count here as well. So yeah, wooden blocks are stackable, but I don't think I need to pass the count. Okay, so let's do struct ctor int level ctor. So like this. Count should be passed as a 1. And level is just ignored. ctor wooden block, crafting ingredient. Yeah, and level just ignored. Does not return a value. Okay, so what should I put here? I do not remember. No return, something like this. No return. Attribute cannot be applied to statement. What should I put here to make the compiler happy? So maybe that would make the compiler happy. I put the assert here, so we should be fine, right? Unused label default. Hopefully compiler going to be happy. Okay, so wait, if day 148 is 18.7 progress, then this game takes 791 days, 2.2 days, years. That sounds right. Yeah, progress. Yeah, release estimate is 2028 January 24.
Elliot said, also, Don and opposed Tifret to multiply by 2.
It's gonna be accurate. Look at this line. It's almost like a straight line here. I'm feeling good about it. I did good job scoping my game. I scoped it to 2 years, and I think I am nailing it. Okay, so let's add another recipe, and it's going to be GDD stuff, right? So it's going to be stuff, and it will require free wooden block. Okay. No matching constructor for the wooden block. Oh my god. So what should I do? Count. Level and count. I guess I should make all of them take the level and count. But what if yeah, what if it's not stackable? So maybe I could set the count after the fact of creating the object. Or maybe, yeah, I need the count. Maybe yeah, let me, yeah, okay. So the idea is have two two
Godot said that
constructors.
C++ compilation times will increase over time: 0.
I like it. Yeah, so I guess like this. Yeah, it does compile. So so we have two recipes now. So one recipe make wooden block and require 5 entropy. Second recipe makes stuff and require wooden block and 3 wooden blocks. And it's gonna be quite easy to add recipes, right? And this is creating the ingredients and items. So all good. So player cpp. So in the recipes file not found, where is it? Why it's complaining about recipes file not found? Recipe.hpp. I guess should recompile. Okay, it's recompiled. Crafting. Start crafting table make. So this is and inventory, and I guess recipes, right? Recipes equals get recipes. Okay. Okay, so what? Why get? Oh, okay. Crafting table. So inside the crafting table, recipes piece, and I'm going to pass by value because I'm going to construct the list of recipes every time. So there is 170 items, so I feel it's going to be very fast, so I should not concern about performance. So I will construct them every time. A recipe. I guess I'll rename it to recipes. I guess it makes more sense to be recipes. What's going on? Buffer editing. Okay. Recipes. Recipes. So what's going on now? Marker deleted here. One. CPP player station. Get recipes. What is this? Where? Oh, get unlocked recipes. I'll just get the references, right? So crafting ingredient, crafting table UI. So that would be vector of a reference to a recipe. So it's a vector of references. Base. Yeah. And let's get a function called and I guess get unlock recipes can be just private. Auto get unlocked recipes const, and it's going to be instead vector of reference to recipe. I can make it const as well. And I can just do const class recipe. Base recipe class. Do I need class here or no? Looks good. Okay, and in the crafting table UI, I'll put const here as well. Okay, base recipe. Okay, now I need to implement the function in the player get unlocked recipes. That should not be angry anymore. Yeah, it's not angry anymore. The funny thing, I do not need that. Yunsi Chang, the satanic monument. I do not know. What did you say? I don't know. What does it mean? Is it English? Did you start a stream to not lose your mind during the process? Be honest. No, it's not. Is the motivation to start a stream was to get a bit of traction with my game, because if I'm going to release it after 2 years, I'm hoping after 2 years streaming every day, I'll get enough audience interested to playing the game. So then I release the game. The fan base what I built over 2 years would buy my game. This was the motivation. It's kind of loose motivation for that, yeah. I guess quite loose motivation. So I need to check through each recipe. So if it's yeah, so I just need to iterate through all recipes. Okay, for auto.
Lilt said, I thought you were doing this for fun.
Fun is important as well. Yeah, because if I would do it for money, I would just quit my job and join some fintech firm and just make at least $500,000 a year, or maybe even million a year. But yeah, it's not only for fun, not only for money, but for fun. And as well, I believe games, so I want to make the game what player would enjoy to play, and hopefully game would make my game what I made would make the world a little bit better place for people to be. Yeah, so fun is included. Get unlocked recipes. So I'm going to iterate through all recipes, right? Get recipes. So I'm iterating through all recipes, and then ingredients, right? Auto ingredient. How would I do that? I guess I'll do auto I equals 0, I less than 3 plus plus I, and then auto ingredient equals R make ingredient of I yeah, if not in ingredient continue, so auto has unlocked, right? Unlocked equals true. If ingredient, so item has icon name, category, stackable count. Oh, it has a name. UNC. I just graduated from computer science focused high school. Our class were the teacher that us yelled at me for not cheating during the exam. Everyone had cheated just to graduate. Oh my god. It's like in United States school like this, or it's some European school, or I don't know, Eastern Europe school, because like capitalism made teachers not to yell at students, because if you yell at students you would not make the money. But in Europe, I believe many schools are free, so teachers can do whatever they want to do. Not American, yeah. Makes sense. In Balkan, yeah. Eastern Europe, right? Balkan. I do not know. I'm very bad at geography. Balkan. It's like around Bulgaria, Serbia. Am I right? I'm not good at geography. Ingredient name. So encountered items, find ingredient name equal stat and encountered items. So set unlocked equal false, break. And if unlocked so there is a result auto r equals stat vector ref const base recipe. Here we'll do r and place so recipes are, so it's star r, I think it's like this, and place back. Return R. No member name but place back. And oh, wait a second, why there is so many R's? Oh, recipe. Just want to say your stream are nice. I was struggling to work on my game lately and I'm also solo, so streams like this are nice motivation reminders. And as well, same way to you, your comment is motivating me to continue, so we are self-pollinating each other. Okay, so this function calculate unlocked recipes, and compiler is happy, so let's see if it's going to compile. It did compile. Okay, so let's go to inventory, not inventory, crafting table UI, and so they are passing recipes, and those recipes so right panel, so it's a left panel, right? Left, or recipe. So there is a recipe. Okay, recipe, style view, items, recipes. In the so okay, so it's going to have stead vector of ref const base recipe recipes. I guess I should put it on before, so now I would initialize it recipes as stead move in dot piece, so like this, and then that should go here. Go. No, don't want to go. Times on ptr item cannot bind to value of unrelated vector. Okay, on pointer item, it's okay. So now I'm going to go to recipe tile view, and shite, that's annoying. Tile view item. So I need to update tile view. So there is a item T, and it's like a on pointer, so I should probably do it like this. Tell me item T, item T, item T, where it's used. I'm not seeing where it's used. Huh. Interesting. So what I did is going to break stuff, but I will be able to fix it quite easily by inventory tile view. So instead of item, I should put here on pointer item. Okay, so this is going to unbreak. No variable from a value type item to be set item. Tile set item. Tile set item. Tile tm. Where is the set item? Or tile t is doing set item? Tile view inventory item tile. Inventory item tile. Set item. So what is going on? From value to item t, yeah, so no, that's correct. Item, what is going on? Items, what is items? Ref items, yeah. Get, yeah, that should work. Somewhere inventory item. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Somewhere this thing happens. No. Oh, tell you. TW. This is right. Oh, recipe. Yeah, okay, so this one, instead of that, I should do ref to const. So include recipes.hpp const recipe. Base recipe. Okay. Crafting table from value type. inventory item tile. So now I need to create recipe tile .hpp pragma once, and I should put here w recipe tile and I should look inventory tile, inventory item tile. So it's class inventory item tile. Oh, not inventory item tile. Recipe tile public. Let's do image for now. I do not know. Probably I do need it. Nice struct ctor. So we need the constructor using t equals recipe tile. Recipe tile control block non-parent ctor. So always boilerplate struct include image.hpp. So we need a function which would to get item const ref to const base recipe. So we need to include recipes .hpp. The mouse motion, and there is a set item. Okay, so auto set item ref const base recipe void. So these two functions private, and here we're going to have ref const base recipe. I probably do not need to do that, right? Because I can just do forward declaration. Yeah, let's recipe, or I can't call it item. It's just for symmetry. So recipe tile .cpp. So right now I'm not going to implement any visuals. I'm just going to implement the boilerplate return item, and item equals v, include recipe tile, And let's implement constructor. P-tile constructor block image control block parent image ctor. I don't know what kind of asset I want to put. I don't know, wooden block. So let me just copy paste that. Tin, 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 tin. Oh, item has to be explicitly initialized because it's a reference. That's a problem. Okay, so in that case, I can just make it a pointer, right? And it would be initialized as a null pointer. And guess it's like returning null pointer is quite bad. Yeah, I guess I'll switch everything to pointer. So everything pointer. Because we will, in the grid, we will have some cells, empty cells, right? And to what is representing empty cell? It's a pointer. So pointer makes sense. So I'm going to update recipe recipe tile view. So that's going to be pointer type, not a reference, and that's it, I guess. Oh, it's happy. Still something. Oh yeah. So that one is going to be vector of pointers. Yeah, that is not ideal, but it is what it is. So that one is as well. Pointers. Mm, 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 mm. And then the player is gonna be pointers. Pointers. And plays back. So it's going to be get, I guess. Get. And get unlocked recipes. Instead of vector of references, it's returning vector of pointers. Okay. Set item is private. Recipe tile. Oh, I forgot to put public here. Okay, game is starting or not? Are you starting game? Okay. Let's go here. It's empty. But I think after getting some loot, it would unlock the get some loot, and it should
Weapons free zone.
unlock one. Oh, and we crashed. Nice. So it did unlock, but for some reason we are crashing. Set pagination off. I would love to figure out how to have pagination disabled by default, but anyways, I'll figure out later. Texture name is wrong. That's easy to fix. Wooden block. So wooden block icon. Okay, so this is the problem. Where is it? Recipe tile. Yeah, so it should be wooden block icon. Okay. Where's the mouse? Oh, mouse is okay, that's fine. Let's try again. It's exciting. Something is going to work.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone.
Okay, go here. Oh my god, look at this. Something is working. I guess I'll continue tomorrow. So there is some progress. It's not crashing as well. So 256 lines of the code, and with human crafted code without AI nonsense. Oh my god, I was so pissed. Yeah, it's like this system I think is way better because it's just relying on the type system of C++ and requires way less code. I'm just going to each recipe is just a one line, and it's just going to be 170 lines of that, and I feel it's pretty condensed. I mean, that part is the boilerplate, but that part is like all needed. Compared with AI one, it had just a bunch of callbacks, and yeah, it was crazy. I guess it's not going to be, because all that thing as well includes, it's probably would like to avoid it. So probably there is a way to avoid it. It's like each item could register itself as a recipe. So I guess it's just more code. Like here is it, I'll just do a bunch of includes and a bunch of that lines, and it's everything in one place. So I guess I'll go this way instead of have everything is decoupled. So decoupled, I guess, consider as a better design, but it's just like a spread everywhere, and there is a lot of boilerplate as well. So just for sake of and you know, all recipes are here, so it's fine. Yeah, I think it's I'm doing better job than AI. Way slower though. So like AI just generated 800 lines in no time, and how much I spent? Like 2.5 hours for 250 lines. But I think my code is better. So recipes. Toast joy, wooden block. Yeah, so constructors. It's kind of I guess it's fine. Yep. Okay. I'm going to... I do not know. Okay, I'll make the commit. It's still work in progress. Work in progress. Crafting system.
WIP crafting system.
So what we have? Some assets. Craft file SVX. Arrow. A wooden block icon. Recipe class. And recipe tile class. I think it's recipe tile, right? Encountered items and unlock recipes. Recipe tile class. That one is beep. Add to recipes stuff and wooden block. Toast UI, toast UI. Block item. Yep. Alright. It's a work in progress. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.